Basic daisy flower. Hello friends, we'll start with making a simple daisy flower. It's a basic 6 ring flower. Requirements are 10, 20 or 40 number cotton yarn, shuttle and a scissor. To start with, we'll make, you can see the flower, the pattern. Make 3 double stitch. One picot, again 3 double stitch, one picot, 3 double stitch, one picot, 3 double stitch, now pull the yarn to close the ring. Now you can see the first petal. In the same way we'll make another 5 petals. Start with second petal, 3 double stitch, now join the picot on the thread, pull the thread with the help of shuttle or a crochet hook and join it to the picot. Again 3 double stitch, one picot, 3 double stitch, one picot, 3 double stitch, now pull the thread to complete the second ring. Same way we'll make 5 rings, and now we'll see how to make 6th ring. Three double stitch, now join three double stitch, one picot, and 3 double stitch. Now we'll join the first ring with the last one. Three double stitch, pull the thread to complete the sixth ring. Join both ends by tying a knot. Now cut the ends with scissor. It completes your daisy flower. Steps to make a flower and abbreviations. A simple flower you can apply anywhere to enhance beauty of your work. Thank you for watching. Keep tatting.